Using the latest sealing technology for automobile hub units, JTEKT has developed a highly sealed ball bearing that can be used in severe environments such as those that agricultural machinery is used at. This is the external shape of the bearing. The cross-section of the bearing is as shown here. The seal of the developed product is attached at this position. Here, we will introduce the features of the developed product. The conventional sealed structure used two radial lips to prevent muddy water intrusion from the outside. The developed product uses a sleeve, and in addition to the radial lips, an axial lip has been added. Also, a labyrinth structure has been adopted to prevent the intrusion of muddy water from the outside. The conventional product had the problem of heavy torque, but the developed product has achieved low torque by applying the latest technology to the seal shape. These are the measurement results of the starting torque. The starting torque has been reduced by 40% compared to the conventional product. Next is the evaluation of sealing performance. This video shows the muddy water test. Bearings are evaluated in such a severe muddy water environment. These are the evaluation results of sealing performance. Here, the vibration level of the bearing during the evaluation test is shown. With the conventional product, the vibration level increased in about 100 hours. It is probable that muddy water invaded at this time. On the other hand, the vibration level of the developed product did not change even after 400 hours had passed. Here is the state of the bearing interior after the rotation test is completed. In the conventional product, a large amount of muddy water intruded inside the bearing, and grease deteriorated. On the other hand, the intrusion of muddy water was hardly confirmed in the developed product, which proved high sealing performance of the developed product. The product developed this time has an all-in-one concept where the bearing and oil seal are integrated. In addition to simplifying the design by reducing the number of parts, the unitization eliminates processes, such as clearance adjustment and grease filling when assembling bearings. Therefore, the installation man-hours are shortened. Also, there is no risk of making a mistake in the installation direction. This sealed unit can also be designed as a double-row angular contact ball bearing type or tapered roller bearing type. Lastly, this is a summary of the developed product's merits. Since it has high sealing performance, it prevents sudden damage to bearings and reduces downtime for machine operation. Furthermore, it also reduces the frequency of bearing replacement, which lowers maintenance costs. Since the bearing and oil seal are unitized, design and assembly can be simplified and the man-hours for each can be reduced. Due to the low torque, energy loss is reduced. JTEKT will solve customers' problems and contribute to improving product reliability.